This is the WMS Blade cabinet. To access the power supply, we must open the door. Turn the key to unlock the door and pull up on the release to open the door. The power supply is located in the bottom right-hand corner of the cabinet. To remove the power supply, first remove this nut to remove the power switch cover. Next, unplug the power cable and all of the wire harnesses from the power supply. Next, remove this bracket by removing these two Phillip head screws. You can now safely slide the power supply out of the cabinet. Here is an up-close view of the power supply. Notice how each port is labeled for easy reinstallation of the harnesses. Slide the power supply back into the cabinet, making sure no cables or harnesses get pinched. Then plug all of the harnesses and power cable back into the power supply. Reinstall the switch cover, securing it to the cabinet with the nut. Lastly, secure the power supply by screwing the bracket back into place. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.